Hi, and welcome to a plant tour of my plant parents' porch paradise. My plant parents have been in the horticulture industry for over 4 decades. They have so much knowledge between the two of them. This particular porch is a result of a renovation, and this is years of work in the making. And now that they have it, it is a really incredible thing to see what they've done with it. The moment you walk out onto the porch, you start to be surrounded by plants. I really like this configuration because there are air plants above you with some trailing plants hanging down, and then there comes to a stand with different plants on it. Looks really pretty. Plant placement is really important because although the porch gets a lot of light, you want to make sure that the plants that want less light are further away from the screen. This is one of the varieties of plants that I was gifted from my plant mom that actually started me on my plant journey. I absolutely love this combination of plants with the Hoyas here and the fiddle fig in the back. These different hanging plants, it really comes together to create some beautiful colors, shapes, and textures. I also love this type of flower. This is one of my favorite types of plants. I'm gonna have to ask Plant Mom what is the name of it. I have this plant and it is green. However, the red is because of the light. So the same plant will turn red when it is in sunlight. And I love that about this plant because it can have a color variant and it really shows you how much light it's getting. Each one of these bulbs is a flower. This philodendron is a perfect example of how happy these plants are. It has not only attached itself to the wall, but it has been growing up the wall prolifically. Thank you for joining us for a tour of this plant patio paradise. I hope that you enjoyed all the colors, shapes, and textures as much as I do. Don't forget to check out How to Grow, Nurture Your Garden, Nurture Yourself, and consider creating a place of kind, patient, and positive thinking for yourself so that you can maintain peace as you go forward and continue to grow. Thanks for joining us.